showcasing Casa Linda's stunning villa sunset, your perfect blend of luxury and affordability in a tropical paradise. From smart design and stylish finishes to customizable features and a dreamy pool, this villa has it all. Dreamed of escaping to paradise? Then you're in for a treat. Beautiful sandy beaches, lush vegetation and a tropical climate. Casa Linda offers foreigners comfortable and luxurious affordable villas in a gated community on the north coast. So if you're looking for a small vacation house, the Villa Sunset might be just perfect for you. Enjoy the Caribbean in this smartly planned villa. Although a smaller home, Villa Sunset has all the great finishes of our executive plans in a very well-designed floor plan that makes excellent use of space and flow. This two-bedroom house is perfect for singles or couples, and the layout is sizable without being too spacious. Both bedrooms have a full bath. There is an inside laundry and a storage space too. The villa has a tall glass door and windows for plenty of natural light, and mixes the indoor and outdoor living area to give it that resort feel. The open concept design of the living area and the kitchen makes this home the perfect place for entertaining friends and guests. And it's all beautiful landscaped around an 8,000-gallon refreshing pool to fully live your tropical dream. One of the best parts of buying in Casa Linda is that each home is built after purchase and fully custom, so you can enjoy a brand new home that suits your taste and preferences. What are some of the popular customization that you can add in the Villa Sunset? You might want to include a kitchen island, an extended terrace, or even a jacuzzi. So if you're ready to build your ideal vacation home in Casa Linda, contact us for more information. We can discuss the buying process and community living.